Start with the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. This is Salman Akbar, and we will discuss about the types of computer in this lecture. This is video 3 of chapter number 1. In this chapter, computers can be classified into following bases defined below on the basis of functionality, on the basis of size, speed, and cost. On the basis of functionality, according to functionality, computer can be divided into 3 types: analog, digital, hybrid. Analog computer means analog continuity of associated quantity, just like an analog clock measures time by means of the distance traveled by the hand of the clock around the dial. Example: thermometer, analog clock, speedometer, and the tire pressure gauge. एनालॉग कंप्यूटर की एग्जांपल से ही आपको समझ आ गया होगा। एनालॉग कंप्यूटर हमारे पास ऐसा कंप्यूटर था जो हमारे पास थर्मामीटर, एनालॉग क्लॉक और स्पीडोमीटर की शक्ल के थे। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में हम देख लेते हैं एनालॉग कंप्यूटर की। द स्पीड ऑफ एनालॉग कंप्यूटर इज़ फास्ट, दिस कंप्यूटर आर नॉट रिलायबल, दिस कंप्यूटर्स बिकेम द बेस्ट ऑफ फॉर डिजिटल कंप्यूटर, दिस कंप्यूटर आर डिफिकल्ट टू ऑपरेट एंड यूज, दिस कंप्यूटर आर ईजी टू डेवलप एंड दिस कंप्यूटर हैव ए स्मॉल मेमोरी। नेक्स्ट, डिजिटल कंप्यूटर. Basically, digital computers, we have computer capable of solving problems by processing information expressed in discrete form by manipulating combination of binary digits 0 to 1. We have example of digital computer: IBM PC, Apple Macintosh, different types of calculators and digital watches, etc. In characteristics of digital computer, these computers are easy to use. Human being like use digital computer. These computers are reliable. Digital computers have big memory. Working speed of digital computer is slower as compared to analog computer. These computers are further divided into different categories such as personal computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputers. And hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is a combination of computers that are capable of inputting and outputting in both digital and analog signals. Traditionally, the analog components of the computer handle complex mathematical computation. The digital components take care of logical and numerical operations, in addition to serving as the controller for the system. Hybrid computers, for example, are used for scientific calculation in defense and radar system, for example, notebook and laptop, etc. The characteristics of hybrid computer: these computers are reliable and provide accurate results. These computers are fast and speedy. These computers are easy to move and these computers are cheaper. मतलब ये कंप्यूटर हाँ पोर्टेबल है, हम कहीं पर भी मूव कर सकते हैं। कंप्यूटर बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ते हैं, कंप्यूटर बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट और स्पीड है, जबकि हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर रिलायबल और हमें एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं। हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर में हमारे पास एनालॉग एंड डिजिटल कंप्यूटर दोनों की खसूसियात मौजूद हैं। ये डिजिटल और एनालॉग दोनों सिग्नल्स को इनपुट और आउटपुट करता है। Computers on the basis of size, speed, and performance are microcomputer, supercomputer, mini-computer, and mainframe computer. Microcomputers are the smallest, cheapest of these and are used at home, in schools, in some business. Mainframe computer are the most powerful computer. Next, we have supercomputer. Supercomputers are very expensive, are employed for specialized applications that are required immense amount of mathematical calculations and numbers. Next, we have mini computers. The mini computers are really small digital computers which normally process and stores less data than mainframe but more than a microcomputer. Mini computer system provide faster operating speed and larger storage capacities than microcomputer systems. Next, we have mainframe computer. Mainframe is very large in size and is an expensive computer capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously. Mainframe executes many programs concurrently and supports many simultaneously execution of programs. Then we have two types or two purpose computer which are general purpose computer and special purpose computer. General purpose computer are those computers which are used generally for different tasks, which use different places like home, hospitals, in business, and different organizations, and in different organizations and different areas, and also used in schools and colleges. जनरल पर्पस कंप्यूटर, हमारे पास वो कंप्यूटर जो हमारे पास जनरल पर्पस के लिए इस्तेमाल हो, हर कोई उसे इस्तेमाल कर सकता है। जबकि इसकी एक और टाइप है हमारे पास स्पेशल पर्पस कंप्यूटर। स्पेशल पर्पस कंप्यूटर हमारे पास मखसूस कामों के लिए इस्तेमाल होने वाले कंप्यूटर हैं, जिसमें हमारे पास ग्राफिक इंटेंसिव वीडियो गेम्स, ट्रैफिक लाइट्स कंट्रोल सिस्टम, नेविगेशनल सिस्टम एंड एयरक्राफ्ट, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग, सैटेलाइट लॉन्च ट्रैकिंग, ऑयल एक्सप्लोरेशन, ये हमारे पास कुछ टाइप्स दी गई हैं जो हमारे पास मखसूस किस्म के कंप्यूटर से ये तमाम काम लिए जाते हैं। किसी मशहूर कहने वाले ने क्या कहा था कि टर्न ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी एंड टर्न ऑन द लाइफ। Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. We'll meet in our next lecture. For so that, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.